Proverbs 12:11. Those who work their land will have abundant food, but those who chase fantasies have no sense. And let's be honest, chasing fantasies never filled anyone's stomach. And as Alice Waters once said, good food should be a right and not a privilege. Hello, fellow homesteaders. Ready to turn your backyard into a 5-star restaurant? Today, I'm excited to take you on a journey from garden to plate. No passport required? Let's dive into the joy of using homegrown ingredients in our farm-to-table cooking. Spoiler alert, it's delicious. Imagine stepping out into your garden, the sun warming your face, and harvesting fresh vegetables and herbs you've nurtured from seed. It's like a spa day for your soul. Not only does this bring an unparalleled sense of fulfillment, but it also ensures that your meals are as fresh and nutritious as possible. And hey, it's cheaper than therapy. Here's the magic. When you grow your own food, you're in control of what goes into your body. No mystery ingredients here. No pesticides, no GMOs, just pure, wholesome goodness. Your body will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Let's talk about a simple yet delightful recipe you can make using ingredients straight from your garden. A vibrant garden salad. Trust me, it's a party in a bowl. Start by picking a mix of leafy greens, kale, spinach, and lettuce. Think of it as a leafy green treasure hunt. Add in some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers for a burst of color and crunch. It's like confetti, but edible. Don't forget to toss in some freshly picked herbs like basil and parsley. They're the VIPs of your salad. Top it off with a homemade vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, and a dash of honey. Because every salad deserves a little love. Voila! You have a delicious, nutritious meal that's as fresh as it gets. Bon appetit, garden style. This garden-to-table approach isn't just about eating well, it's about sustainability and self-sufficiency. And bragging rights, of course. By growing your own food, you reduce dependency on commercial agriculture and contribute to a healthier planet. Superhero cape optional. Plus, it's a wonderful way to teach kids about where food comes from and the importance of caring for the earth. Future farmers in the making. Now, let's explore how to incorporate homegrown herbs into your cooking. Prepare to impress your taste buds. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano can elevate your dishes to new heights. They're like the secret agents of flavor. Imagine a roasted chicken seasoned with fresh rosemary and thyme. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Warning, may cause spontaneous dinner parties. And it's not just vegetables and herbs. Don't forget about fruits. Nature's candy, right in your backyard. If you have fruit trees or berry bushes, you can enjoy homemade jams, pies, and smoothies. Your kitchen will smell like a bakery. There's something incredibly rewarding about biting into a piece of fruit you've grown yourself. It's like winning the food lottery. Farm-to-table cooking is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle. And a delicious one at that. It connects us to our food, our land, and our community. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. So why not give it a try? Your garden is calling. Start small, plant a few herbs or a vegetable garden. Baby steps to a bountiful harvest. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor, quite literally. And trust me, they taste even better when you've grown them yourself. Remember, homesteading is a journey, not a destination. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. Enjoy every step of the way and savor the delicious rewards of your hard work. Thanks for watching. Now go get your hands dirty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own garden-to-table experiences in the comments below. Happy homesteading! And may your garden be ever bountiful.